Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm just popping on quickly because I'm super excited. I just received my first Hero Arts My Monthly Hero card kit. This is the August kit and it's the first time I placed an order with the Hero Arts kit, but I absolutely love this. So I thought I'd share. The kit is still available. I will leave all the links below in case you're interested in checking it out. So they send this cute little thank you card with your package, and there's free shipping on $50, so that's good for folks who are in the US. I picked up this add-on stamp set. I couldn't pass it up. It's called Kitty, and of course the adorable little cat in the teacup sending a warm cup of Kitty. Oh my gosh, too cute. It's a perfect time for tea. I love you too, matcha. So cute. So pick that up. That is an add-on. So with the kits, you get the 6x8 clear stamp set, and this month is coffee and tea themed. So this is going to be so much fun to play with. And then you also get some coordinating dies, and this is called the Fancy Window die. So it's a cafe theme. I've tried not to look at any of the cards that have been made with this kit so that I'm fresh with my own ideas for making cards, but I'm sure this die will be used quite a bit. So that's the Stampin' Die. You also get this crystal clear lacquer pen, so that'll be fun, and some white puff embossing powder. So I guess to make some whipped cream or topping on your warm beverages. And then you get these sheets of coffee and tea hand-dyed decorative papers. So that is the card kit for August for My Monthly Heroes. Stay tuned. I'm hoping to do a 10 card video. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye.